Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to add GIF in your TikTok video. So let's begin. So first of all, you need to open your TikTok. So now you can see this is your profile, and now if you want to add a GIF in your TikTok video, then what should you do? You just need to click on this plus icon at middle, and now you can take a video like that. After taking your video, at the right side there have a lot of options, so you need to select on sticker, and now you need to search your GIF. So go on search bar and type like that. I type love. So now you can see there have a lot of GIFs showing here, so I just select this love. So you can see you can make your GIF bigger or smaller, anything you can do. So after doing that, you just select next and then post it. So guys, in this way you can add GIFs in your TikTok video. So I hope you can understand, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.